preschool.
Playing the toy.
Yeah, what else? Tell them you learned the Pledge of Allegiance.
I want to play allegiance.
You want to say it for them? Go ahead.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and mercy and justice for all.
That was good.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the